In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Lycamobile SIM card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to set up a Lycamobile SIM card, you can follow these steps. So the first step is to insert the SIM card. So power off your phone, insert your Lycamobile SIM card into the SIM tray, turn your phone back on, and then you need to activate your SIM. So once the phone is turned on, you may receive network settings automatically. If not, follow the on-screen prompts to activate. You can also activate your SIM online on this website here, and then enter your new Lycamobile number and PUC code, which is found on the SIM card packaging. And then if you want to top up your balance, so purchase a top-up voucher from Lycamobile retailers or top up online at this website I've detailed here. And then from there, dial 611 or call 611 to check your balance. And then set an APN, so access point name. So go to your settings, then mobile networks, access point names, and add a new APN with the following setting. So that's an outline here. So your name, APN, MCC, and MNC number. And you got your authentication type and also your APN type as well. And then once you've done that, save and restart your phone. And then you want to make sure to test your connection. So make a call or browse the internet to check if everything is working properly. Once that is all done, your Lycamobile SIM should now be fully set up and working.